Hello guys, this is Rapid Holding System. I'm having a very interesting self-centering vise from our flexible clamping tooling section. Our RHS part number for this vise is RHS-FV99. This one is a manually operated flexible clamping vise. Material of this vise is stainless steel plus aluminium. The blue visible area in the vise is aluminium, and rest all the material in the vise, pins plus base of the vise is stainless steel. The vise can be operated by using a standard hex key from both the sides, and this vise is having 350 by 150 specification block mounted on both sides of the vise. So I'll show you a little working of this vise. I'm having a irregular shaped workpiece here that I'm going to clamp in this vise. So what I will do is I will just put the workpiece in the center of the vise and start tightening the blocks from any side of the vise using the standard hex key we can do. So here is the workpiece that I just clamped inside the vise. I'm just trying to tighten it more to make sure the workpiece is not movable. Great gripping, I can feel it. With the single lever of movement of the levers that are on the front, we will be locking the pins so that the pins retain the shape of workpiece even when we loosen the self-centering vise. I cannot move this workpiece anymore now. I'm just gonna open the self-centering vise. Here I open the self-centering vise. I will just show you the close-up how the pins retain the shape of the workpiece as they are locked. I'm just showing you the close-up. These vises are very beneficial in measurement analysis and laser marking of workpieces. And with the single movement of these levers, we can release the pins. They will go back into the original shapes. They are too flexible. So when we lock the pins, they are just locked and cannot be moved. And with the opposite side movement, we will just release the pins so they become back to the original shape. The weight of this self-centering vise is 88 pounds. Great gripping, and the blocks that are mounted on the top of the vise, they are also available to purchase as a single block. Welcome to inquire us today. We have all the CAD files available with us so that you can review and make sure that vise is a good fit for your application. Welcome to inquire us. Our website URL is www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Have a good day.